Look at traffic in Santa Cruz area, guys. A lot of traffic. Look here. A lot of traffic, guys, in Santa Cruz. Showing how I go on to Santa Cruz after Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica. Santa Cruz have been one of the towns with a lot of traffic. Showing how I go on with paper. Traffic straight through. And this will go on and on. Lot of traffic, guys. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out this happening. Watch on him. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him. Watch him come up in the road. Just watch him. So them driving in Jamaica, man. That's how they drive in Jamaica. Watch on traffic, guys. So we are now in the park area, guys. Yeah, man, look on traffic. Traffic. Kinda ease up now down this area.